Hey guys, this is me Ahmad and we are going to start a brand new series on the React, and this is the first video of this series. In this video we are going to see what is React and why we should use it. So what is the React? React is basically a JavaScript library developed by Facebook, and it is actively maintained by the Facebook, and it has nearly 100k plus star on the GitHub, and it is open source and it is very popular among the developer. So right now you can see there is a statement on my screen, and you can see that it is clearly saying that React is a library just for developing interfaces. So what is this? What is the meaning of this? That React is just a library, not a framework. And the second point is that React is just used only for the building interfaces, not for a full-fledged application. Like you can build a full-fledged application React, but you need to install other dependencies in it. But React is just for the building interfaces. Like if you want to fetch data from the server, there is a package Axios, and you have to install on the React. So React is just used for building UI UX interfaces. So why you should learn React? First of all, React is created and maintained by Facebook. Use JavaScript, which is most popular language right now. If you learn Java, you can if you learn JavaScript, you can start working on mobile application with React Native, and web application using React, and desktop application with Electron.js. So JavaScript very popular right now, and React is also used JavaScript. If you have understanding of the React or understanding of the JavaScript, you can definitely start with React. Huge community and support. So basically a lot of developers use React, and if they face some problem, they will go on Stack Overflow and write something about it, and you will definitely find the answer. And it also has 100 plus star on the Facebook, and you can start the mobile development later after learning the React. You can start with the React Native, and React have the largest ecosystem right now. I think that React have a largest ecosystem, but I think it might not be true. But React is a very popular, and it has a largest ecosystem and framework like Next.js and Remix are built on the React, built on the top of the React. So there is also one thing that React also have the component based architecture, right? Like you write a code for the header and like a section, and you can use it on the multiple pages, and you can also share this code between 2 to 3 framework like Angular and Vue. So it is also when you go in the large organization, their code reusability is also a major factor in it, and React fulfill this like no one else can. So React has a component based architecture, like you write once and use anywhere you want. There are some feature of the React like virtual DOM. Virtual DOM is a replica of your actual DOM, but when you update something, what will happen? React compare your actual DOM with virtual DOM and just replace the part where changes has been done. So it does not replace it did not replace the all the DOM elements. It just replaced the current DOM element which is under the updating phase. Updated phase. Like React have the declarative syntax. Like you just need to tell the React you want this kind of UI, and when you update the UI, React will update the UI. You don't need to tell that what you should do to update the UI. Like in most of the framework, you have to do it. React is a internal component instead. Like if you have a parent and child, React component mainly work as an internal, self-sufficient application which has their own internal state. And next point is Java, JSX, JavaScript, XML. So you can write very easily code in the React with the help of the JSX, because JSX very simply it has a similarly coding style like HTML. And the next point and final point in my list is that the React has the unidirectional data flow. Like your data pass from parent to child, then child, then child. Not like that your child cannot pass data to your parent. So this is also a great feature in React, that you don't have to think more about it. You just have to see that the data always pass from parent to child. So this is shortest video that I can make on what is React and what is the feature of React and why you should use the React.